Okay, welcome to Investor Series where we are going to talk about
market updates,
ways to grow your wealth.
and how the benefits from investment.
Hello everyone, welcome to Market Updates. My name is Fairuzee and today I'll be sharing with you what is happening in the market this week. This week has been a roller coaster. So for the past few months we have been getting a good profit and a good uprise from the market. There's a good increase of S&P 500. But this week, now we are on Friday. This week we have been getting a decline of S&P 500. So for today, the S&P 500 is at 7394. But actually on Wednesday, it is actually 7266. So this has been quite a decline from the S&P 500, which has been doing very well in the past few weeks and months. So what happened? So there are a few things that happened that resulted into this decline. So as per usual, the S&P 500 last week went into its all-time high. And hence the first reason for this decline is the profit taking from investors. Investors who had profited a lot from their investments pull out from the investment, sell off their stocks, their unit trusts, and hence the value went down. First reason. Second reason, which has two parts, is the second reason is that investors are afraid of interest rate hike. And why are they afraid of this interest rate hike? Is because when there is an interest rate hike, the company's profit will have gone down. Reason being is because they have to fork out more money to pay off the interest that they had. And this is due to two things. First is the inflation report. There has been a high inflation in the few recent weeks. And hence people are afraid that with this report, the Federal Reserve might consider increasing the interest rate. Second is the jobs report. It is reported that there's a lot of jobs that has been added into the US market. And that is a good thing, but this also shows that there will be a lot of business activities and people will have a lot of money, and hence they will spend more, and it will be hard for the price to go down, the inflation to go down, hence the need to increase the interest rate. But take note here, it is just the fear of interest rate hike that made people sell off their stocks and be afraid and pessimistic, hence the decline. Third reason is the appointment of the new Federal Reserve Chair, which is Kevin Walsh. Look at the data. Usually when there is a new Fed chair, there will be a drawdown of 10%. But of course, this is just fears. It is not confirmed yet. Fourth reason, this new chair is known to have these policies. And again, are just speculations. And last reason is because the war is still ongoing, and hence oil price is still going up and inflation might go up. So for me, the last point is actually the headlines, which is not that important, because if it is tomorrow that Trump said, okay, no more war, and Iran on their side said there's no more war and the Strait of Hormuz is open, then the market will be okay. However, due to the fears of interest rate hike, the market might still go down, even though if the war is over or the Strait of Hormuz is opened. Okay, so with all of these issues, do you think that we as investors should still invest and stay invested? The answer is yes. Reason being is because the fundamental of investment is looking at the earnings of the companies, not just the headlines, not just the interest rate, but also the earnings, the growth the earning growth of the company. Is it growing well or not? And if you look at the statistics, the companies, especially tech companies, are earning well, and hence there's still optimism in investing. So with this, there's only one thing that's confirmed. I cannot confirm that it's going up. Cannot confirm that it's going down because there are reasons for both. But what I can confirm is there is volatility, and if you want to be good in investing, we need to have a strategy to maintain and control this volatility such that in any way that it goes, whether it goes up or it goes down, we have the strategy to ride out the wave and ride out the volatility. So again, like mentioned last episode, me and Shahid, we offer this free check portfolio where we will check your portfolio for free for 30 minutes via chat, WhatsApp, or even for Zoom, and we will advise you accordingly. If you want to start investing with us, you can contact us. You know our WhatsApp number, you know our Instagram. You can just contact us. All right? So take note of this good opportunity that it went down, and contact us if you want to invest. I think that's all. See you next week. Bye bye.